Hello, my name is Steven. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Volcano. For this, you guys are going to need a tube-like structure, and what I use to make that is a paper cone and this homemade pipe. For this, you guys will need baking soda, vinegar, and some food coloring of your choice. For your first step, you want to put 2 whopping tablespoons of baking soda into your cone and add some food coloring. For your second step and final step, you want to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to the Volcano. Pretty crazy. The reason why this works is because the baking soda and vinegar create an acid-like reaction that expands throughout the tube. Now, if you guys want to, you guys could add different amounts of vinegar and different amounts of baking soda to see the difference in reactions.